Padaroma. Otumfuo Edru Hanma. Padaroma Otumfuo Akwasidea 2 years. Anyankopon adena bedro aso nhwiem. Tobe oso otra enyi Otumfuo nyamede na abedro aso nhwiem dia ene obema yewra akwaba yebanso yamana nsapan yebaya snap pentu nsia ena Moni Sanso Pentu, Wadibema Yura Akwaba.
His Majesty, my great brother, the greatest monarch of the world today, by your deeds. Otumfuo King Osei Tutu II is a king of deeds. He has performed creditably to the admiration of the whole world. We call each other brothers. As an every man, he loves me to the marrow. So when we see each other, we're always smiling to each other. Otumfuo, you're a great king, a peacemaker, a loving father, a saint of the world. Your peaceful overtures in the whole world is unparalleled. It's unparalleled. A few days ago, you were at the United Nations. You surprised the whole world with your oratory. With your oratory. The African is a great son of the world. You have proved beyond reasonable doubt the African can remake the world. And I rely on you, we rely on you to have that union of fellowship amongst the rest of Africa so that we can conquer the world. I thank you so much for allowing me in your kingdom every time we call on you. We are here to welcome you back with this flag. Welcome home. Wisdom. Akwaba. As a peace ambassador, I've been honored by the President of the Democratic Republic of Congo through All African Conference of Churches because of my peace overtures in the world. Through the Pope to our election headquarters in Kenya and then to DRC Congo. It is through your prayers and blessings that I have reached that level in the world. And I'm showing that thing for the first time to you, my mentor, before it goes anywhere. But I would like you to keep this one in your kingdom, in your museum. I want you to keep on teaching us. During my birthday, you sent a delegation, my 75th birthday. I'm 78 on 6th of April, and I will launch my Kete book in Accra. I wrote a beautiful book on Kete weaving in Africa. 200 years of Kete by my family, to which you are going to send a delegation to Accra on Thursday. You sent Nana Bobasa to be in Qatar on 3 occasions during my wife's death, during my birthday, and during the Hodosho show. You sent Bantama Hene. You are too loving to me and caring. Bampohene, they were all there. I always see you in a mirror. Keep it up. Don't give up. The world needs you. Without a PAI.
Toby, on behalf of His Majesty, I received this wonderful commendation and honor plaque that you have eloquently described and presented. It is with great honor that Otumfuo has you as a brother and a friend. Your words go beyond anything imaginable, and we are very appreciative of the friendship that is between you and our king. Thank you very much for this presentation. Otumfuo will cherish it, put it in a place of great respect, and will always remember you when he comes and he sees this on his wall. It is a great honor again, and you are always welcome to Menchia, and we hope that this friendship will continue eternally. Thank you very much.
Yampli Noe, Yampli Togwe.
Dentini ebube ne brebe ese ebube ebeye de den
kura preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kro nimu awase wadoro sra tanyini wantena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam behin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabumo ni mu hu bi
duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo kra wonye ye bi
tontonte ye no nsane ye fa
NYANSAPO
abone ntakra na mane yakese na ntakra abone de fanyinam kwatere kwa
oda woro mountuma ye fe ni din de seyin
ni din do Obama
akola wa no so pese otrimu osuma ense bratama
the confirm ne honhon hia na America sa
sebe ka ya twere ni mu nyame nai ebu afaso enye de ya twere ni mu twa nyame
sebedi akone be kwen bodi atwede na se kofindro ni ya aben antima nyina ni mu ampata na wo yade ya